Okay, so today we are going to put together this disassembled Maxi Cosi Mica 30. Here we go.
Oh, it's a small surgery.
So this is what you're left with. The parts after you clean them and one long strap, the casing, and the cushion. Start with our car seat turned over to the back side, and basically you want the strap to fall over these little middle plastic pieces. So I'm starting from the bottom. I'm just going to start kind of at this side here, make sure that you can see this, starting at the far left, coming out, and then kind of just like threading it through. And then you can see the strap is over the plastic piece. And then again, I pull it up just a little bit, come and push it through the left, and then go over to the other side. And you kind of want to just make sure that it's not twisted or anything. So it should look like this after you're done. Over the plastic piece, over the plastic piece. All right. Next, you want to put in this little button piece. You can either go on the top or the bottom, and basically you're just going to be moving this plastic or this metal piece into the plastic, and it's just going to be falling, kind of free fall. So come through the bottom side. I want to go onto the bottom one because my child's bigger, and I'm just going to, make sure you can see here, fold it like that. Just kind of push it through, and then it just hangs there. Okay, so now that you've got that, you can flip it over. And then just pull it. There so you can see. Okay, so you got your button piece hanging, and then you have these two straps coming out of the side. You want to make sure that they're the same length. So you need to pull on this one and get it the same length. Okay, now that they're the same length, you can take your cushion, put your cushion on, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It's just got some few little places where it hooks and latches, and some elastic to hold it in. There's some little side flaps on the side with little holes, and there's little nipple things that it goes into right underneath this base part here. If you just kind of feel, you'll feel that. And you just kind of line everything up. I mean, this part really isn't that hard. It's just a matter of doing it. Okay, so now you have your cushion part on. Next we're going to pull the straps in to these little back areas. Again, there's different sizes for how big your baby is. I'm gonna want the very top one because my baby is big enough for that. So I'm gonna just try to prop this up a little bit. So the left one goes to the left, the right one goes to the right. Oh, sorry. Okay, so it's gonna come up from the bottom first, kind of imagine a leg, and then it's gonna go into the back. So mine aren't exactly squared. So get them straight. Okay, now we're gonna put our hardware on. So you've got your two little clips, those will go in first. So I always just kind of buckle them in first so you know which is the right side, which is the left, and just weave them through starting from the back going towards the front. Weave it like that. On the other side, starting from the back going through the front, weave it like so. Then you have your two chest straps, left side, right side. How you want to do these is you want to go you wanna go through the bottom towards the back and then make your loop in the back, come back up on the top. So it looks like that when you're done. Okay, you just kind of yank it down there like that. Okay, same thing other side. You want to just make sure that you're not twisting it. So you want to go down, you want to go towards the back. I'm not showing this very good. And then loop in the back side, come up on the top. So it looks like that. If you mess up, you can always redo it. Okay, now we're going to weave the top parts into the back here, and I'm gonna go into the very top one. I'm just kind of feeling that I'm pushing it in the very top. Same thing, very top. And these car seats are kind of, they have like slits with this, so you can just pull that back and see really clearly which hole you're wanting to go into. Okay, last step, turn the car seat back over. Now you have your two straps like so. So mine are in the top. You're going to pull this bottom strap up, and you have your little J strap there, and basically each one of these go into these hooks. So I'm going to put this one into this hook. I'm going to do this one-handed for you. This one into this hook, if you can see it. Okay, like so. That's what it should look like in the back. And then when you pull it over, you'll use this to tighten, and you see that this is tightening the shoulder straps there. Okay, and then when you turn it over, voila, straighten everything out. You can put your little cushions back. These are just simple Velcro. If you want the head strap, you can put that back in, weave it like so. Okay, and there you see, back together, assembled, everything's clean, everything's straight, and you're ready to go.